Government restores engineering service exam for railway recruitment. Goa board reschedules class 12 exam to avoid JEE main clash. Odisha government recruits 16,009 junior teachers to enhance education quality. CM Schools of Excellence transform education for underprivileged in Jharkhand.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni. Today's top news are: in a significant policy reversal, the centre has reinstated recruitment of railway officers through engineering service exam alongside the civil service exam for the Indian Railway Management System. The decision follows a proposal from the Ministry of Railways approved by the Department of Personnel and Training. The tentative number of vacancies of ESE 2025 is set at 225 with the specific positions of civil mechanic engineering and ENT and stores. The ministry has requested an extension for the specific deadline currently set for October 8, 2024 to ensure adequate scrutiny and opportunity for the candidate. This move addresses recruitment challenge in technical roles faced since the merge of engineering and non-engineering categories. The Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education has rescheduled the Class 12 examination from February 1 to February 10, 2025 to prevent clash with joint entrance examination mains. This decision was made to ensure students have adequate preparation time, especially for JEE mains occurring in the last week of January. Practical exams for the general stream are set for January 8, while the exact examination centers will be announced later. Notably, the exams will proceed as scheduled even on the public holidays. In a significant move, the Odisha government has recruited 16,009 junior teachers for the primary and upper primary schools across all 30 districts. Chief Minister Manohar distributed appointment letters during the ceremony at Kalinga Stadium, emphasizing the importance of teaching in shaping society's future. He noted a substantial increase in the budget for education, stating this recruitment aims to improve educational quality and learning outcomes for Odisha's children. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan praised the initiative as a part of government's commitment to fulfill the promises of developed Odisha by 2036. However, the opposition BJD criticizes the BJP for taking credit, asserting the recruitment process was completed under the previous administration. The Jharkhand government's CM Schools of Excellence are providing world-class education to underprivileged students, enabling them to access facilities comparable to the private institutions. Currently, 80 such schools operate in the states, offering modern amenities like science labs and digital resources. Chief Minister Hemant Soren announced the plans to be expanded and this initiative to the 5,000 schools, ensuring that poor children can completely access to the academics. Students appreciate the engaging learning environment with extracurricular activities fostering creativity and teamwork. The school also aimed to introduce vocational courses in 11 trades including IT, agriculture and hospitality, preparing students for the future job opportunities. The initiative aims to elevate the quality of education in government schools, bridging the gap with private institutions. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theenn.com. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.